Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Sometimes, silence is louder than words. Silence means everything. And sometimes, instead of barking, shouting, talking, blaming, it should be something like a different approach. Bakit hindi mo try maging tahimik na lang muna? Once you started na maging tahimik ka, then you are starting a war silently. But it's no longer a war for you. It is more on something na parang dinidevelop mo na yung sarili mo. So let me tell you this. Paano ba ito mag-work after ng breakup? At paano ka ba magkaroon ng psychological comeback after ng breakup? First of all, the devastation na binigay sa'yo ng breakup is unimaginable. You never imagined this, you never expected this to happen. Pero dito sa nangyari na breakup na to, talagang wasak na wasak ka, luging-lugi ka, at talagang pakiramdam mo is parang, this one is very unfortunate. So, iniwan ka ng ganun-ganun lang, at pinabayaan ka ng ganun-ganun lang. So, it's really hard to accept it, right? Kaya, during this time, siguro isa sa mga pinaka-technique at strategy na alam mong gawin ay ngumalngal ng ngumalngal at isumbat lahat sa partner mo. At kung hindi man ngumalngal, after mong ngumalngal at magreklamo sa buhay, bigla mong sasabihin sa partner mo na namimiss kita at I love you. Sana bumalik ka sa buhay ko. Probably ganun yung mga linyahan mo kaya it doesn't help. But it actually makes you worse and worse and worse and worse. That is the moment of time na nare-realize mo na you are not, the situation is not helping you at all. It is making you a little bit worse and pathetic. Kaya, nagrereklamo ka na nga sa ex mo na masama ugali niya, pero gusto mo pa rin siyang bumalik. Hindi po mukha kang tanga sa ganung ginagawa mo. Di ba? Parang kang bobo niyan eh. So, what you are doing is not really helping you at all. You're just shouting, you're just barking, you're just complaining, you're just, alam mo yun, ang dami mong daldal, ang dami mong ngalngal, but you cannot get your ex back. Isa lang ang ibig sabihin niyan, puro ka daldal, pero mahal mo naman siya. Diba? Puro ka sumbat, puro ka sama ng loob sa kanya, puro ka bitterness at insecurity sa kanya, pero anong ending? Ang ending wala pa rin, mahal na mahal mo pa rin, nangangarap ka pa rin at nagwi-wishful thinking ka pa rin na sana magbalikan kayong dalawa. Ayun pa rin yung gusto mo mangyari. Ganon ka kabobo, di ba? So, nagiging direkta sa punto lang ako. Hindi ko naman sinasabing bobo ka pagdating sa ibang bagay. What I'm just saying is, pagdating sa pag-ibig, talagang minsan, yung heart mo is hindi mo siya makontrol. Kaya tuturuan kita kung paano magkaroon ng malupit na psychological comeback after ng breakup. Ganito gumante ng tahimik. Number 1, ang kailangan mong gawin is huwag mag-reach out sa ex mo kahit anong mangyari. And mag-start ka na no contact at panindigan mo, huwag kang maduduwag. Once you started the no contact, always remember, wala nang U-turn to. Wala nang balik-balik to. Para kang bumili ng pagkain sa labas, hindi mo na siya pwedeng isoli lang ng ganun-ganun lang. Di ba? Binili mo na nabili mo na gamitin mo na. Right? Para kang bumili ng relo mula sa ibang bansa tapos pinadala mo dito sa Pinas, di ba? Parang huwag mo nang ibalik, gamitin mo na. Dapat kapag nag-no contact rule ka, walang magbabago ng isip. Kapag in-start mo no contact, gamitin mo na, ituloy-tuloy mo na. Pangmalupitan na, dire-diretso na natin, do not double think about it. Huwag ka na magdalawang isip, gamitin mo na. Kaya pag nag-no contact ka, ituloy-tuloy mo. Huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob dahil mataas ang chance na mag-reach out pa rin ng ex mo during the no contact time. Pangalawa, mag-improve ka ng tahimik. Huwag niyong pag-usapan yung ex mo sa trabaho, huwag mong pag-usapan yung kung sino-sino sa trabaho. Never bring your ex up into this topic. Maging tahimik ka lang. I mean, paano ba? Ang ibig ko sabihin is, huwag kang madaldal about the situation. Kung mga sama ng loob mo, huwag mo nang ikwento kung kani-kanino. Kimkimin mo lang sila. Pero dito sa pagkikimkim mo, I want you na yung energy mo is gamitin mo siya for self-improvement. Eto kasi, maraming tinatamad sa part na to. Eto yung pinaka-ayoko sa mga naghahanap ng solution regarding how to get their exes back. At saka sa mga naghahanap ng solution, paano magkaroon ng comeback coach after ng breakup? Paano mas maging strong kay ex-coach after ng breakup? Paano maging malakas coach after ng breakup? And most of them, kapag binanggit ko na yung advice, kapag pinapagawa ko na yung advice sa YouTube man o sa clients ko, dito sila nagpe-fail. Lagi silang tamad mag-improve. Mag-improve kayo ng tahimik. Like, try your best. May mga clients ako, sisipag. They're trying their best para mag-improve. Yung iba, nasa gym na. Yung iba, nag-aaral na ng real men. Yung iba naman, nag-aaral na how to become a better woman. Yung lahat na sila, they're trying their best to improve and to develop their mind. So, kung tatama rin ka mag-improve, para mo na rin binibigyan ng death penalty yung sarili mo after ng breakup. So, after ng breakup, anong ibig ko sabihin? Bawal ang tamad. Magbasa ka ng libro. Gumawa ka ng mga bagay na pagkakaabalahan mo. Give your time, give yourself to the things that will really, really benefit you in the future. Diba? Hit the gym. Go ahead. Spend your time into much more sensible and much more valuable rather than I'm thinking about my ex, kawawa naman ako. Kawawa ka talaga kasi tamad ka. But if you will try to change your life and if you will try to develop a high level of workout and business and something like intelligence, you are feeding your life, you are developing your life, you are becoming better and better. Sino ang mananalo sa breakup? Di ba ikaw din? Try mong libangin yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na kapakipakinabang. Huwag puro scroll down sa Facebook kundi sa mga bagay na kapakipakinabang. And that is a psychological comeback after breakup. Do this one silently. And you can imagine how you will win so you can get your ex back. Or if you will not get your ex back, at least you can get yourself back because you are the most important thing in this world. So for one-on-one coaching, give us a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach. Thanks for watching.